This conference will now be recorded.
Is changing faster than you can ever imagine. And I wanted to bring some things to highlight for you. First and foremost, on the topic of pricing, recruitment advertising is going up in every way. The competition for talent you seek has never been greater, and the price per click, the cost per click, and the cost per applicant is ever increasing as well. The name of the game right now is strategic recruitment spends, thinking 2 and 3 years down the line. Can't say enough about getting very strategic about insulating yourself from price increases that are coming. On average, we're seeing each of the platforms increasing their prices by a factor of about 3 to 7%. But on top of that, the cost to be able to get the exposure you need with a sponsored job spend also is increasing as more people are putting funds around elevating and sponsoring their jobs. So we have the answers to how much you need to be spending. I'll pivot from there and suggest also that you really need to be thinking about elevating your recruitment brand. I'm going to show you an example real quickly of a company that does elevate their brand and another random company that does not elevate their brand. And I thought I'd just share it on my screen. Here's a company that has chosen to spend some time, money, and energy around elevating their brand. And they do a quite good job at it around, I'll just do a quick flyover so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. Right here you see on their brand, they've got a nice big picture above that kind of exemplifies the kind of work that they're into, and it articulates what kind of jobs that they're doing around scaffolding services, insulation service, painting tanks, and they specialize in the food and beverage industry. The name of their company is Superior Industrial. It's a random company I picked off the internet. But again, this company, Matt Brower, is doing a quite fantastic job. And he's got this nicely built out and laid out. If you go into Why Join Us, you'll see nicely and quickly here, he speaks to about his company, his mission, his vision, his values, his culture. And one thing he does quite well is he actually has nice testimonies. So look at your company on Indeed and see if indeed you're doing these things, talking about what you offer in your positions about what's in it for me. If you compare that company to this company, has no logo, has no brand, has no banner, has no snapshot, and has no what's in it from us. Furthermore, there are a few reviews. And on an exciting point, the best thing I can say about this company is that we've got a nice 3.8 star rating, and that is actually averages about 3.6 compared to this company. Their star rating, if you go to the top, is 4.1. If you want to elevate that, give us a call. We can speak to that directly. That's just a quick soundbite on the topic of your recruitment brand and what things are changing on the internet. Give us a call about these questions and so much more. We would love a chance to speak into that. If you've got questions about how much you need to spend or even how to get recruitment branding going, maybe you want to elevate into social media recruitment using Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter. We've got answers to all of those questions. Call us today, 704-666-3411. Until then, keep living out loud and on purpose. Will you? Take care.